So I have here the engine mount, which obviously is not the original engine mount. I think it sits like this. Actually, so I believe the front of the engine is up here. So it would go, oh, maybe this way. So I think it goes something like this. And then these line up with those on each side. And then the ends go into the engine mounts that are on the frame. So, of course, this is an adapter that somebody made to fit the new engine, because this engine is an original to the truck. These engine mounts will go on here. I got two new engine mounts here and here. Nice fresh rubber. So they'll go in here and mount to the engine. And then these just, the engine bolts to these. Now this thing was welded together out of, I don't know what. Looks like wood. Look at those strands in it. That's some old iron right there. But I cleaned off as much of the rust as I can, I think. I'm just going to cover it with that rust encapsulator paint and call it good. These are left loose so I can line them up with the engine, and then I'll tighten everything down. So yeah, let's paint this up, seal it up, and then I'll put these engine mounts on it temporarily, like loosely set them on there so I don't lose them. Let that dry. Alright, I got my 6-volt alternator to replace the generator that was originally with it. Over here. That old thing. Get rid of it. We're going to put this on there. Obviously, this is a different shape, so whether it's going to fit on here or not is a whole nother story, but we're going to make it fit. Okay. So in order for these pulleys to line up, basically this thing's going to have to sit out like that. So it's going to have a spacer between the bracket right here and the actual hole on the alternator in order for these pulleys to be in alignment. Yeah, holy cow. That would be almost perfect. Yeah, I might just get a cutting disc and just cut this piece right off and make it flat across here. There's no threads or anything in there, so I don't see why I couldn't do that. Okay, I am going to cut this little piece. I'm going to cut this piece off right here so that this bracket will fit in here and everything will line up really nice. Because right now I got it just right. I'm really happy with where this is at. I do need to switch out the pulley, which is right here. So this will be the correct size. It'll match the belt width and everything of the other pulleys. So cut that off, replace this, and then figure out some way to kind of brace this from the back, I think. All right, it's on there. I'm going to try to figure out a way to maybe build some kind of bracket that goes from here to here. Just to give it a little extra brace, but it's looking pretty good. Looks like all the pulleys are in alignment. Happy with that. Okay, I got some scrap right here. Basically attach it to this piece and where this nut goes, or this bolt goes. So, cut it down, drill some holes, weld it, make it look nice, make it fit right, and we'll go from there. Okay, I have a legitimate question because I know nothing about electronics. It's all a mystery to me. But from what I understand, the alternator should be grounded to the engine block. I don't know if that's the case for all alternators. But if I were to ground this, I got bare metal here, bare metal here. This piece will be in contact with this. And then this piece will be, and this piece will be in contact with this. So, just like that. Will that suffice as a grounding strap? Or do I need an additional, like, actual strap going somewhere? Or will this work? I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and just put this on there just to, you know, make this more solid, add stability to the mounting of this thing. As far as the grounding goes, I don't know. If this will work, then I'll just do that. But if I need to add a strap, I'll add a strap. I just don't understand where it would go to. Would it go from here down to there, just like this is going to? In which case, it just seems redundant. But either way, I'm going to go ahead and get this mounted on so it's on there. And then this bare metal here. So in my mind, this would solve that problem. All right, it's on there. Thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.